In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dynamic and engaging user experience by converting your form layout to a card form. This process is particularly useful for those looking to enhance interactivity in their forms, creating a step-by-step experience for the user. Let's dive in and explore how to make this transition, add questions effectively, and customize your form to make it unique to your needs. First, let's talk about switching your form layout to a card form. Transforming your existing form into a card form layout involves changing the way your information is presented. Unlike the traditional list format, the card form displays one question at a time, which is particularly helpful in keeping the user focused and engaged, thus improving completion rates. To start, navigate to your form builder platform. Look for the settings or layout section where you'll find an option to change your form type. Select card form here. This layout will automatically adjust your form so that each question appears individually, allowing users to focus on one aspect at a time without being overwhelmed by too many fields at once. Once you've switched to the card form layout, it's time to add questions. The key here is to keep it simple and direct by placing one question per card. This step-by-step approach not only enhances the user experience but also ensures clarity. Begin by opening the question editor. For each question, decide on its format, whether it's a multiple choice, short text, or another type, and add it as a new card. Remember, your goal is to make each card straightforward and concise. By doing this, you allow respondents to dedicate their attention to answering one question at a time, reducing errors, and improving the overall quality of the data collected. Now that you have your question set up, let's move on to customizing and publishing your form. Customization not only involves adjusting visuals, but also tailoring the functionality to suit your specific requirements. Start by choosing a theme or color scheme that aligns with your brand or campaign goals. In many form builders, you can adjust fonts, button styles, and backgrounds to create a cohesive look across all cards. Beyond aesthetics, consider adding smart elements or widgets within the cards if your platform allows. These could include conditional logic for more personalized questions or integrations with other tools you use. After ensuring your card form is both visually appealing and functionally robust, the final step involves publishing. Review your cards for typos or logical flow issues, then proceed to hit the publish button. Share your form via the desired channels, whether it's an email link or embedding it on a web page, to start gathering responses. By following these steps, you're well on your way to creating an engaging and streamlined experience for your form respondents. Embrace the simplicity and structure of the card form layout to boost engagement and improve data quality. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.